Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the loving service of Jan, your wife?
Yes, Father.
Did you feel the light? Did you feel the light? Did you feel the light inside your body? Did you? Did you feel the light? Did you feel the lightning coursing through your veins? Feel it radiate deep within your heart. Did you feel the spark right from the moment that I met you? Oh, baby, did you feel the light? Did you feel the light? Did you want the light to stay? 'Cause we were made for love, I'm made to love you. Love keeps raining down right there above you. Soak it up, let it in. I'll give my all, everything.
My dearest Ned, I couldn't imagine that we're now having this day, the day we'd finally be as one. From strangers wandering in Japan to video calls from one country to another. Now we're here. No more time zone differences and airport parking. Know that I am very much grateful that this world lets me hold you for this lifetime. I love you, my future husband. Yours forever, Jan.
Aww. Okay.
Hola baby, just breathe. Our future together begins today. I'll see you at the end of the aisle. I love you.
We were made for love, I'm made to love you. Love keeps raining down right there above you. Soak it up, let it in. I'll give my all, everything. 'Cause I was made to love you. I was made to love you. Love keeps raining down right there above you. So soak it up, let it in. I give my all, everything. 'Cause I was made to love you. I was made to love you. Love, I'm made to love you. I was made to love keeps raining down right there above you. I was made to soak it up, let it in. I give my all, everything. 'Cause I was made to love you. I was made to love you.
John, do you take Ned here present for your lawful husband, according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
And do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Oh, yes, I do.
This is who we are, and this is where it starts.